thank you for supporting General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. The people of Madi and Ajumani and all the other 4 districts, we are proud of you. Thank you for supporting Museveni the last 38 years. The people of Madi, I remember I came here in 2016. It was 2016. We came for the last campaign here. We did a campaign rally here. When we were driving back to Gulu, our car rolled somewhere there. The road was bad. But I'm happy I've seen a very nice road. So those are the small problems missing, power and all these other things, water, medicine and etc. I'm sure with the Deputy Prime Minister here, you'll get whatever you need. However, whatever is not delivered, the MK movement, led by General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, will deliver for you because it belongs to you. It's your son. We want to thank you 1,000 times, 1 million times. You have braved this hot sun to come and attend this event from all your districts so that we can be able to commission your structures or to commission your chapter. Regarding the chapter and the structure, the details will be the National Vice Chairman Northern, Chairperson Northern will guide us on that. So the people of Madi, we love you, we love you, we love you. General Museveni, unlike other people who may not understand and recognize that change is a fact of life, General Museveni knows change is a fact of life. When time has come, change will always come. So General Museveni would like to thank you as a father for coming to honor this invitation as a guest of honor. General Ali, we love you. Please guide us where we go wrong. We shall consolidate the achievements that you will make and that you have made as General Ali, General Museveni, and all the other generals, the revolutionaries who rule this country. General Ali, we are not going to disappoint you. And we are not pushing you to go. We are only telling the world that when General Museveni has gone, or when General Museveni has gone, we have a standby dam, Karuma, which is a generator running General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. So you like it or not, the world is speaking. From Karamoja to Sebei, from Soroti now to Ajumani, to Munyoro to Busoga, to Kamuli to Jinja, to Mitoma recently, General Otafire's constituency, and all these other places, they are all speaking the same language, that when time comes, you cannot stop time from rolling. So the time is coming. And the time for General Muhoozi to consolidate the achievement of our parents has come. Allow me hand over to my elder brother, Frank Gashumba, the Vice Chairman of MK Movement Central, to have a word with you. Then after that, he will invite our keynote speaker, Sister Lydia Nabe.
The chief guest, General Museveni, the religious leaders, all leaders in different sectors. Thank you, the people of Ajumani, for welcoming us. It's my first time stepping here in the entire history. For the many years I've lived in Uganda, it's my first time stepping here. We are here because we believe the change you've been looking at, the change you've been demanding for is coming. And that change is General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. I'm the National Vice Chairperson MK Movement Central Region. And the Ugandans in Central Region have decided that when time comes and President Museveni is no longer the President of Uganda, the next President will be General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. We started this in Kapuchorwa, I think it was 2022. We've moved across the entire country. And the message we are seeing is very clear that Ugandans are ready for General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Why do we think General Muhoozi Kainerugaba has all the qualifications? He has been to all the best military colleges in the world. the best universities in the world. The schools he has gone through have so far produced over 200 presidents across the globe. So if Muhoozi does not become a president, it will be a disappointment to all of us. So I beg you, the people of Ajumani, when time comes and General Muhoozi Kainerugaba is nominated in Kololo or in Chambogo, please stand up and be counted. My brother Balaam hinted on a few things. Trust me, there are challenges all over the world. The roads I've seen here, we don't have such roads in the central region, by the way. I just saw such roads in the US, not in Uganda here. So people of Ajumani, you must thank this government for this infrastructure I've seen. Finally, General Moses Ali, we thank you so much. You first hosted us at your residence in Kampala. Many people of your age tend to fear our generation. We respect you. You are senior leaders in this country. You've done a lot for this country. We love you. But at the end of the day, time will come when our generation must take over. I can assure you. And when we take over, this business of stealing taxpayers' money will end. If you want corruption to stop, when General MK stands for the presidency, please vote for him. To all MK supporters here, thank you so much for standing with us. It's hot here. Someone said it's a sauna here, my brother. It's not hot here. There are places where you can go and you can't even stand here where I am. It's not hot the way you think. Finally, before I call my sister, the National Vice Chairperson, MK Movement, Northern Region, Dr. Lilian Abba, whom we think when General MK becomes the president, she has all the qualifications of becoming the next vice president of Uganda. How does that sound? She's a lady, she has all the qualifications and the rest. By the way, before I can give this microphone to my brother Balaam, let me recognize my brother too, Kano Odot, Coach. The first time I saw him, he was a major. I think so. I think it was 2013. He was the chief bodyguard of President Yoweri Museveni. Now he's commanding a sector here. My brother, we also appreciate you. Ugandans sitting here, we are sitting here because UPDF works 24 hours to secure our borders. Don't take such peace you are seeing for granted. You know, in Kampala where I live, Ugandans think because Kampala is peaceful, because somebody outside there is not overseeing. Uganda is peaceful because of UPDF and Uganda police. We appreciate men and all women in uniform. Thank you so much, Ajumani. We'll be coming back in the future to talk much.
Just to supplement on what my elder brother Frank Gashumba said, I want to thank the president for giving you his own bodyguard for over 10 years to come and become a bodyguard of Ajumani and this brigade. Afande Coach, many people don't know you. I would request you stand somewhere there so that they can see you. The people of Ajumani, you know, is a serviceman, but is in charge of our security. The RDC is present. The DISO is present. We thank you for your contribution. Afande Coach, we love you so much. Thank you for being a good man. You protected Muhoozi for almost 11 years, and now you are going to protect his people of Ajumani. So you support the longest serving bodyguard of the president. Is protecting the people he loves most, the Madi people of Ajumani. Is the brigade commander. Let me use this opportunity to invite our host, the keynote speaker of today's event, and Member of Parliament of Kitgum District, woman Member of Parliament, She's the Secretary General of ADRM caucus in Parliament. She's the Vice Chairman, MK Movement, Northern Region. She's a doctor. She's a mother. She's capable of becoming anything you want her to become, right from the level of LC1 up to the level of Vice President. Let's clap our hands for Honorable Lilian Abe.